Alright, so here's a video for the installation of the woven vinyl flooring and template cutout for a 1990 Searay Sundancer. Okay, so here's a template of the swim platform. That's obviously in the transom, in the back transom of the boat. The way I did it, I just laid it right on top and I traced over. That round circle that you see right there, that's where the barbecue stand, the barbecue grill stand goes. The far outline that you see, that's the actual line of that's the trace. So I cut it back about 1/2 inch, 3/4 inches, just to give me like a little lip that goes all the way around, as you see over there. That's the cutout, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I cut the template material out. I flipped it over. Very important that you flip it over. And if you remember, the circle over here was on that side. Because obviously the material, the flooring material, which is this stuff, the woven vinyl material, is upside down, so you got to put it upside down. So now I'm just going to mark all along over here, just trace that onto this part, and then cut that all out. And I gotta sew a binding on it. However, I'm not gonna do that until I make sure that this thing fits the way I want it back on the boat. Obviously, I gotta cut out the hole, so I want to do that at the boat. I'm not gonna cut that out now. I'm gonna do that over there once I lay it on there to make sure it comes out the way I want it. Okay, so here goes the woven vinyl material traced out. It's very important that because it has lines on it, like the wooden plank lines, make sure that you get those things, if you do have lines, that you line them up or you square it off. Yeah, you square off the front so it can be perfectly lined. You don't want horizontal or diagonal lines in there. It'll look crooked. Alright, so I'm cutting out this rubber. This rubber stuff is pretty thick. It's about what, like an eighth almost? So, anyway, I'm using this big scissor to cut it. It's easy to cut, very easy to cut with the scissor. The only thing is when you get to these little corners over here, these pointed corners is okay because you cut a little past them and you go this way. But these are rounded edges. Use a blade. There's a lot more control. You go around it, you get a nice, neater cut instead of, with the scissor you get like squared off. So definitely use some sort of blade or something to cut any type of curve. Makes it a nicer cut. And there it goes. So here is the pattern material that I laid out in the back of the boat that covers up all the motor compartment, all the hatches and everything. So I needed to do that in one piece because of the fact that you have those lines. You want to make sure that everything lines up when you cut from one piece to another. You will see in the next clip what I'm talking about. But like I said, if you didn't have those lines, you don't have to worry about none of this. You could have saved a lot of material. But yeah. Alright, so notice how all the lines line up together perfectly, so that when you step on the boat, nothing's looking funny. The only thing I will be doing, if you notice there's a couple of corners there, I'm going to be rounding all of those off because it's easier to put the binding that I'm eventually going to be putting in. And that's it. Alright, so here are the pieces on the boat now. That's obviously the hatches for the motors. That's a port side and a starboard side. And you can see the corners haven't been rounded off yet. So that's going to be probably in the next clip. There goes a close-up. And just check out the way all the lines line up. I'm very proud of that. And the little hatches here. I still got to pull the install the other pulls for the hatches to pull up to get access to the motor compartments. And there goes the swim platform that I made. I still got to make the cutout over there in that corner over there for the barbecue grill. And that's it.